So my next project is in this Athearn blue box. It is an F7A Amtrak locomotive. It does come with the windshield. A couple of little glass for over here. A few of them. I did have one horn. It's actually in excellent condition. Just have to clean the wheels, maybe lubricate gears. Got to put the windshield in. Got to put LEDs in here. Got to put two Kadee couplers in there. Somehow make another horn. Does come with a original parts list, which is pretty cool. It's got the super weight. Doesn't even look like it's ever been used. Do need to clean that commutator. No rust on there. Some IP, isopropyl alcohol. Get my fiberglass scratch pen. That looks nice and clean. I am now taking off the rear truck assembly. Using a screwdriver, I got underneath the worm gear cap and released it. Taking out the worm gear, that will loosen it up and I'm able to take the truck assembly off. Using a little IPA to clean the worm gear. Looks bone dry. I'm going to clean this area because this is where the chassis meets. See if I can take this off. Taking the bottom clip off the wheel assembly. The screwdriver right underneath that. Lift up the little tab. It's a little tricky. Once you get one side off, the other side will clip back on. There we go. And the top clip. And take this one off. Should be able to take the wheels off. Removing some dry grease. I'm using a toothpick to clean in between the spaces of the aperture. Reinstalling the gears in the truck assembly. Using high temperature bearing grease. Clean the wheels while I have them off with a fiberglass scratch pen. Putting it back together. Plate back on. And the motor one, the top one, this goes that way. I'll slide it back on. And put the worm gear back on. A little grease on this. Put the worm gear cover back on. Do the same for the front. Using a little CA to attach the horn. Preparing and reinstalling the windshield. Windshield's in. I'm going to pass on the LEDs for now. Let's see how that condensing light works. Attaching the front lens to the shell. Using a extra three-way horn, I made a single one. Here it goes. Just have to do the couplers and then it's done. Okay, well, everything is done. Couplers are put in. And all I have to do is test it. See you on the truck. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye for now.